Okay, hello everyone. So today video I'm gonna show you the progress for this machine. This is the Kobelco SK07N2. So yeah, we do a lot of job for this machine already, including all the hydraulic system, and yeah, mostly of the job we are doing is on the hydraulic system, and we already restore and repair all the component, including hydraulic pump, control valve, travel motor, swing motor, what else, the hydraulic cylinder. Currently we are doing the body repair. For the body, there is no much defect or damage on the body, just a few small damage, and we already repair all these all the defect and damage. And now we are doing the sanding, and also yeah, after we done all this job, we're gonna bring this machine out, and then we're gonna wash and clean all the dirt, and after that we're gonna do the painting. Ada tinggal satu. Lagi. Ni masih lagi. Lupa. Okay, so we got the pilot seal already, so we're gonna install this pilot seal. So we already repaired this door. We already installed a lock here. Yeah, it's much more better than the condition before we repair this door. Okay, so now we can install back the window. There's a few left to do on the body. Yes, yeah, I already checked overally on this body, and yeah, there is no much defect or damage. The cabin is still in a good condition. So for the body, there's only few things that we need to repair. This one, and this one. Yeah. Already received this pilot. Okay, so now I will put back this pilot here, and then connect all these hoses. fixing the body. We are doing sanding and also to cement any defect on the body. And so far we are almost done for the sanding and body cement. So after this we're gonna bring this machine out and yeah, to wash all the dirt, to make sure that this machine is clean. And after we clean it, we're gonna do the painting. This machine currently doesn't have any hydraulic oil and also the engine oil. So yeah, for the next video I'm gonna fill all the oil, the hydraulic oil, the engine oil, and also the diesel. Then yeah, we will start this machine. We will start this machine and then put back this hydraulic boom cylinder. And that's all the progress for today's video. And yeah, see you guys on the next video.